Hi, welcome back to myCRMSIM. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add high-level integration to myCRMSIM. First of all, you need to log into the dashboard, and from the side menu, you need to visit integrations. And in integrations, you need to click on connect HighLevel. Now you need to install our application in your HighLevel account. For that, you need to read all the permissions, and then you need to click on next. It is very important step for you guys. You need to connect your agency with myCRMSIM. So it won't affect your agency settings or any other sub account setting. So please make sure to connect your agency and install it under all locations. It won't affect any of your sub account. So just make sure to check this, and you can enable it for future locations as well. Then click on proceed. Here you can set conversation providers. If you have purchased iMessage plan, you can start from that. I will select all of these. You guys can also select all of these and then click on proceed. It will take some time to finalize. Now I need to verify that integration is successful or not. I will go to integrations. You can see that agency is connected and you can manage it. Now in HighLevel, I will switch to a specific sub account which I want to use with myCRMSIM. So this one I'm going to use with myCRMSIM. Now I'll go to the settings of this sub account, and in phone system, I'll go to additional setting. There I need to select the custom provider. So we have two custom providers regarding myCRMSIM. One is for iMessage only and other one is for other channels. So make sure to select based on your plan and click on save. So this setting will only apply to your this sub account. It won't affect any other locations or agency setting. So you don't need to worry about that. You need to connect your location. So for that, I'll go to sub account SIM. Here I will click on connect locations. I need to click sync locations in order to sync locations from my agency. After that, I will search for that specific sub account. I will connect it. I will confirm and I will refresh it. So here you can see your account. Make sure to select it. And now you can assign your devices to this sub account. You need to go to sub account SIM, and here you can add your devices and set message routing. So that's it from integration side. Thank you.